Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite Halloween cookies. They're quick and easy ghost cookies. All you're going to need are Nutter Butters, some almond bark, white chocolate, and mini chocolate chips. Okay, I've melted the almond bark, and now I'm going to dip my Nutter Butter cookies, it's peanut butter cookies. Now this is how I've always made them. So dip them in, and then you add 2 little chocolate chips really carefully to make some little ice. Now I did see this other trick that I'm gonna try, and you put a fork in the middle of the cookie up, and it just came out. And then you roll it around, and then you pull it out. And so it covers the whole cookie. Oh, I think it worked. I might try it this way, but the white chocolate is just really sweet. So that may be a little too sweet to eat, but it sure does look cute and delicious. I'll have to try them both.
Happy Halloween, like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching me make my favorite Halloween cookies. I hope you enjoy these ghost cookies as much as we do.